In this video, I'll guide you through the process of getting a new Revolut card step by step. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Plus, you can sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. Getting a new Revolut card can offer enhanced security features, such as contactless payments and disposable virtual cards. It also provides access to better spending controls and benefits, especially for international transactions. To replace your card on the Revolut app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once it's open, tap on the card icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Cards section of the app. From there, select the Add New option, which will prompt you to enter your credentials to proceed. After entering your credentials, you will be taken to the Settings menu. Scroll down slightly until you find the option labeled Replace Card and tap on it. In the Replace Card window, you will see three different options. If your card is damaged or not working, select the option that says it's damaged or doesn't work. The app will then guide you through the necessary steps. Follow the prompts, and when you reach the final step, click on Order Replacement Card. Once you've completed these steps, your replacement card will be ordered and sent to you. That's all there is to it. Your card replacement process is now complete. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.